Welcome to Neural Tech Analytics. Today we'll show you how to create a donut chart in Tableau, a clean and engaging way to show proportions like the breakdown of a category with the total right in the center. Think of it like a pie chart, but with a hole in the middle, and that hole gives you room to add key information such as the total count. It's one of the most popular visuals in dashboards. Let's walk through how to build one step by step. Set up the donut chart base, open Tableau, and connect to your dataset. Now, go to the Analysis menu and select Create Calculated field. You can also just right-click in the data pane and choose it there. Name the field Donut, and in the box simply type 0. Click OK. You'll now see Donut added as a new measure. Next, drag Donut into the columns shelf twice. You'll now see two blank charts. Change the marks type for both charts from automatic to pie. This gives us two pie charts side by side, and we'll layer them to make the donut. Add data to the chart. Click on the first Assume Donut chart. Now find Emplid in your data. Right-click and drag Emplid to the angle shelf. Choose Count Distinct CNTD. This tells Tableau to count unique people. Next, drag Gender to the color shelf. This colors the pie slices based on gender. Now your chart shows how many students belong to each gender. Combine and format the donut. Let's clean it up and turn it into a donut. First, right-click the axis for donut and click Format. In the Format pane, turn 0 lines off. This removes extra lines from the view. Now, let's stack the two pie charts. Right-click the axis of the second chart and choose Dual Axis. This places one pie chart on top of the other. Right-click one of the same donut pills and uncheck Show Header. This removes the extra axis label. Shape the donut. Now it's time to shape the donut visually. Click on the size shelf for the outer chart. The first SUM donut. Drag the size slider to the right to make it bigger. Now click the second chart, SUM donut 2, and drag its size slider to the left. This makes it smaller and creates the white space in the center. Click Color on the second chart and choose White. This forms the center of your donut. Add labels and total almost done. Now we'll add labels. Click the main donut chart, go to the label shelf and check Show Mark Labels. Now you'll see the gender counts displayed. Now select the inner chart, go to Label and also check Show Mark Labels. To show the total number of people, drag Emplid again to the label shelf of the inner chart. Choose Count Distinct CNTD. This puts the total number right in the center of the donut. Add labels to the outer donut chart. Let's now make the outer part of the donut chart more informative by adding labels that show details like product category, gender, date, and transaction ID, step by step. Click on the first chart. This is SUM donut in the marks card. Now, drag the following fields one by one into the label shelf. Product category, gender, date, transaction ID. This will display those fields on the outer ring of the donut, giving viewers instant insight into what each slice represents. Add labels to the center of the donut chart. Now that your donut chart is built, let's make the center, the second chart, SUM donut 2, more informative by adding labels that show key data points like quantity, total amount, retail sales, and age, step by step. Click on the inner chart, that's SUM donut 2, in the marks card. Now, drag these fields one by one into the label shelf. Quantity, total amount, retail sales, age. This will display those values right in the center of the donut, using that empty space to present meaningful information. And that's it. You now have a beautiful, fully functional donut chart in Tableau. It shows gender distribution by slice and the total number of sales right in the middle. Donut charts like this are perfect for dashboards where you want to show a breakdown with a clear total, all in one compact visual format. At Neural Tech, we deliver industry-aligned data analytics training that leads directly to job offers. Visit our website to learn more.